we are also going to write. Today we will write the prime number program only, but we will write the program in a different way. Okay. Basically, what you know, if a number has only two factors. Okay, if the number of factors are two, then that number is called as a prime number. But I told in the last session to you that, okay, for any number, factors could be there. For any number, factors could be there up to half of the number. After the first half of the number, then that number does not have any factors. So if your number is n, suppose if you have a number called n, suppose you have a number called what? N. Then you no need to what? Suppose if your number is n, then what? You no need to repeat the loop up to n. It is enough to repeat the loop up to n by 2. Half. Within the half, except 1. Except 1. 1 is common factor for every number. Except 1, if you find any other number, if we find any other factor, then definitely that number is not a prime number. Am I clear, folks? Okay, now? Suppose I told yesterday your number is 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 is a common factor. 2 is also a factor. Means what? This 8 is not a prime number. Immediately. No need to unnecessarily go to up to number or even up to half of the number. Don't unnecessarily iterate the loop for multiple times. It's time wasting. Am I right or not? So, suppose you found 2 is a factor of 8. Half of the number means you are repeating from 1 is a common factor. Na? Start from 2. Go to n by 2. So, your loop should start from where to where? 2 to 4. Okay, check in 2 to 4. Is there any factor for 8?
Yes.
Between 2 to 4, because 1 is a common factor, leave it. Half of the number is 4. Check, is there any factor between 2 to 4? For 8. There is no factor for 8.
There is factors 2 and
2 is a factor of 8. 2 is a factor.
Yes.
3 is not a factor.
Yes.
But 4 is a factor because 2 4 is 8. 4
Yes.
2 is 8, remainder 0. Am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Guys, tell me now, if you find any one factor, at least one factor, from 2 to the half of the number, then that number is not a
Prime
prime
number.
because 1 is already a common factor. Every
Yes.
number is a factor of itself. 2 factors are over. Again, you are finding one more factor, which is nothing but it is not a
Prime.
prime number. Because according to prime number definition, how many factors could be there?
2 factors.
How many
1
factors
and
that a
8,
prime
sir.
number can have? 2
2
factors only.
factors.
But if you are finding more than 2 factors, that number is not a prime
Prime
number.
number.
Could you, guys, is everybody able to understand the logic here? Suppose, guys, take the number as 11. Take the number as 11. Okay, tell me from where to where I should start my loop to repeat. 1 is a common factor. Don't start with 1 because we know 1 is a factor of every number. 11 is a factor of 11. Am I right or not? So from where to where we need to check?
1
2
to 5.
to n by 2.
2 to 5.
2 to n by 2. N, what is the n value now? 11. 11 divided by 2. But 11 is an integer value. 2 is an integer value. If you divide an integer with an integer, result also will be an integer.
Yes.
Don't say 5.5 answer. It's not general mathematics. Okay. What's the result now? 5. Check now. Between 2 to 5, Do you find any factor for 11?
No.
No.
Anybody? 2 is a 2 factor of 11? No. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 1. Is 3 factor of 11?
No.
3 3s are 9. Remainder is 2. Is a 4 factor? No.
No.
4 2s are 8. Remainder 3. Is a 5 factor? No. 5 2s are 10. Still remaining 1. Remaining 1 value is there. Am I right? Means what? 2 is not a factor. 3 is not a factor. 4 and 5.
Yes.
They are not factors now. Which
No.
means what? There is no other factor for 11. What are the only
No.
2 factors of 11?
1
1
and
and
11.
11. But
11.
there is no other factor found between 2 to 5 now. Now this number is a prime number. Yesterday's program, if you write, the loop repeats 11 times.
Yes.
Loop repeats 11 times. This time the loop repeats 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times. Able to
Yes.
follow me now? Everybody? Online folks, am I clear to you?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. I have a question to you guys. For example, my number is, please understand, my number is 16. Could you tell me? Could you tell me? From where to where my loop should start? 2 to
2 n by 2. 8.
8.
start now. Start from 2.
2 is the
2 is a
factor.
factor of 8. Sorry, 2 is
Yes.
a factor of 16.
Yes.
Yes.
If 2 is a factor, you got one more additional factor now. 1,
2.
Yes.
2, 16 already. Means you got one more additional factor here, 3.
Yes.
When 2 is a factor, don't continue with the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why unnecessarily repeating the loop?
Yes.
Already you got to know that what? It's not a prime number.
Yes.
Am I right or not? If there is a factor found, immediately break the loop.
Yes.
Am I clear? Immediately break
Break.
the loop because you are finding one more factor.
Yes.
Guys, am I clear to you? This is how
Yes,
you
sir.
need to write the program. Shall we start writing the program now? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
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 Online folks, everyone, am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. This is the proper way of writing the program. This is the proper way of writing the program. Folks, let's go ahead and understand. I am writing one new Java project. New Java project is prime number program 2. Prime number program 2. Guys, are you practicing? Are you practicing the programs, folks?
Yes.
Have you received the yesterday's notes? Guys, have you received the yesterday's notes? Yesterday's notes have you received?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Good. Yeah. Let's start writing the program, folks. New class. Package name com.ashokit.basics. Enter the name. Name is, please. Name is prime number test2 with the main method. Hey, today also we're writing prime number program only, but in a different way. Okay, the total logics are here only, folks. You have to focus on the logics now. What this program will do, this program checks whether a given number is prime or not. Okay, I'm writing comment also to check for a prime number. Repeat the loop from 2 to n by 2.
N by 2.
Am I right or not? If you find any factor, okay, if you find any factor in between 2 to
N by 2.
n by 2, then it is not a prime number. Am I clear or not?
Yes.
I'm writing just comment, whatever that I have explained to you. Folks, am I clear? Online folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Very good. Offline folks, am I clear? Right. Folks, everyone, guys, let us start writing the program. Hey, we'll start writing the program. I told yesterday, from yesterday onwards, we have changed our style of writing the Java program. How many methods we want to write in our class? 2 methods. One is main method already. Other one is another method for calculations or for logic. Okay. Private, static, Boolean. Is prime is a method. Name of the method is prime. It takes a number as an argument. This is called input argument to the method. Okay, na? Folks, understand me. First of all, tell me I need a number. To take the number and scanner object, na? I'm in main now. First, I'll write some code in main, then I will come to the method. New scanner of what? System.in. Very good. Very nice. Guys, we got the scanner object here. Once we have created scanner object, then tell me this program should ask the user. This program should display the user that what, please enter a number. It should display this message to the user. So write the message in SOP. Display the message to the user. User will immediately enter the number by responding to this message. Then immediately take that number into one variable called n is equal to sc dot next int. Hey, suppose I am taking my variable name is num, num. What's my variable name? Num. Okay. Observe here, guys. The variable name is num. Here the input parameter name is n.
N.
Don't confuse now. Tell me after taking the number, call this method to check whether it's a prime number or not. Call the method, pass the num. What's the variable name here? Num.
Num.
Pass the num. Please understand, guys. I will just explain so that you people won't get confusion in future. What happened? Where is Zoom it? Folks, everybody please understand me. Suppose this is num. Everyone, this is num, guys, num. Suppose the number is 11. This is the variable num. What's the value of num, guys? 11 is the number. I am calling the method called isPrime. What I am passing? Argument as num, which means what? The value of the variable num will be passed or copied to the parameter called n, which means what? There is a memory location created called n. It's a variable, na? What's the name of the variable? N. The value is copied from num to n. Tell me what is the value of n now? 11. Am I clear, folks? Online people? Offline people, am I clear now? Don't confuse about variable names. Here variable name is what? Num. Here the variable name is what? N. Don't confuse now. That's why I'm taking this different name to explain you this point. Don't
So we
confuse
can
about
use the
what?
same name.
You
Also,
can use
we can.
variable name same also because this variable is local to isPrime method.
Mhm.
This variable is local to main method.
Okay, okay.
Are you getting my point? Right. You can take the same name also, different name also. Yesterday I took the same name. Today I'm taking different name to explain you the point. Tell me now, the value is copied from where to where? Num to n. What's the value of num here? 11. Is copied to what? N. What's the value of n? 11. Did you guys got the point? But don't think about there is n variable, here is num variable, I am confusing. Don't think like that. Am I clear to all of you? Online folks, am I clear to all of you? Online people, am I clear to all of you? Yes?
Yes, yes, sir.
Very good. Good. Good to go. Guys, tell me, this is prime method when I call, this method returns which value? Boolean value. Means what? Store the result into which variable? Boolean variable. Boolean b is equal to, variable name can be any name. Yesterday I took the variable name as flag. Boolean flag is equal to, today I'm taking variable name as b. So variable name can be flag or b or x or y. Don't think about variable names. Understand the concept. Okay, first let us go to this method and let's try the logic. Hey, logic you have to understand, guys. Guys, please understand me. Tell me, my for loop should start from where and my for loop should end at where? Folks,
Start
my
from
for
2.
loop should start at where and should end at where? Please tell me.
2 to n by 2.
For int
I
I equals to 2. Because 1 is a common factor, na?
yes,
I less than or equals to
n by
n
2
divided by 2. I plus plus.
plus 2.
Exactly. Hey, guys, am I clear to all of you? Yes. I equals to 2. I less than or equal to n by 2. I plus plus. Folks, online folks, if condition required, na? If n is a number modulus I equal to 0. It is a
Yes.
factor, na?
Yes.
Tell me, if you find another factor between 2 to half of the number, is it a prime number or not a prime number? Not a prime number. It's not a prime number. I will take one Boolean variable. On top of that, I'll tell you why. Boolean variable name could be any variable name. It doesn't matter. Let's say, for example, Boolean flag is equal to false. Or, okay, I'll take false. No problem. Please understand me. Or I'll take true first. I'll take true. Observe it. Hey, take Boolean flag equal to true first. Tell me, guys, if n modulus I equal to 0 means what? There is another factor is there between from 2 to n by 2. Then tell me, if there is another factor also found, is it a prime number or not a prime number? So do one thing. First set the flag value as false. Change the flag to false. Break the loop. So which statement I'm using? Break. Break means what? Loop terminated. The execution of the loop is terminated. Control will go to the next statement after the loop. Now after the loop, let me read the statement. Return flag. Return what? Flag. Tell me what is the initial value of flag? True. See, guys, let me explain logic now. See, first, you have a memory location called n. The value of n is, guys, value of n is 11. N is how much? Assume that 11. Number is 11. Tell me, I starts from 2. Before the for loop, what is the variable I took? Flag. What is the value stored? True.
True.
Let's take, there is a variable called flag. Boolean variable, this is flag. Could you tell me what's the value?
True.
True. Okay. Guys, listen. For loop starts. For loop enters. Tell me whenever control enters into the for loop First of all, where does control will enter? Control will enter into the initialization part. Or the initialization part, int I is equal to 2,
Two.
which means there is a variable called I created. There is a variable called I created with a value 2. Am I clear?
Mm.
Yes. Tell me, I less than or equals next condition. What's the condition? I less than or equals to n divided
N
by 2. What's the value of n? 11.
11.
11 divided by 2?
Yes.
5.
5.
Okay. Tell me, I value is how much?
2.
I value is how much? 2. Don't confuse now. I value is 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. True. If condition is true, then control will enter into
Statement.
the for loop statements.
Yes.
Tell me, inside the for loop, there is a statement called if statement. Check the if
Yes.
statement. N modulus
Modulus I.
I. Tell me. First of all, is n.
2
N is 11.
N is 11.
N is 11. Modulus I is 2. 11 modulus 2. Tell me what the answer.
1.
I modulus 2.
11 mod 2 is how much? Equals to how
One.
much?
1.
1.
2 5 is a 10. Modulus returns quotient or remainder? Remainder. How much is
Remainder.
remaining?
1.
1 is remainder. Tell me what's the value of 11 mod 2?
1.
1. But you are comparing it with 0.
0.
False. If condition false, control does not enter into the if statements block. Control does not enter into the if statements block. Control will come out of the if.
Yes.
Will come out or not?
Come out.
Will come out. Because condition is false. Then tell me, the control if comes out of the if statement, then control will next goes to where?
Increment.
Increment. Because in the for loop, we don't have any other statement. There is no next statement in the for loop. Then tell me, where does control will go? Increment. Tell me now how much I becomes?
3.
3.
3.
Yes, I value is 3. Tell me from here next, where does control will enter?
Condition.
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 Yes, tell me what's the condition now? 3 less than or
Is
equals
less
to
than
3.
equal to
Less than
5.
or equals to 5.
1.
True.
True.
3 less than or equals to 5. 5 is true. True means again control enter into the if statements.
Yes.
Yes, control enter here. Calculate the if now. What's the condition if statement? N mod
mod.
I.
11.
11.
Modulus
3.
3.
11. Let me write here. 11 modulus 3.
3.
Tell me he's how much?
2.
3
2.
3 is a 9.
2 remainder.
3 3 is a 9. Remainder is 2. Tell me, is 2 equal to 0?
No.
Is 2 equal to 0 here? No. False.
False.
Control will come out.
Yes.
Again will go to where? Increment.
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 What's the next value of I?
4.
5.
4. I'm writing here 4. I value is 4. Guys, after this, where does control will enter?
Condition.
What is the I value? 4. Less than or
4.
equal to. What is the value of n by 2? 5.
5.
4 less than or equal to 5?
True.
4 less than 5 only, na? True. Again, control enters into if block now. If statement. Sorry, if statement. Tell me what the condition. 11 is
mod
n. 11 is n. Modulus.
By
Modulus
4.
is how much? 4.
4.
4.
Guys, tell me how much?
3.
How much?
3.
4 2 j 8. 4 2 j 8. How much is remainder? 3.
3.
Tell me, is 3 equal to 0? No,
No.
condition
No.
fails. If condition is failed, then tell me control will come out of the if statement. Where
Yes.
does control will go next? Increment. Tell me what's the next value of I?
5.
5. Very good. 5. Tell me guys, after increment, where does control will go?
Condition.
Condition. What's the condition?
5
5
less
less than or equals to
5.
5. 5 less than or equals to 5, na? True.
Yes.
Control go inside the for loop. Tell me inside the for loop there is if statement. Tell
Yes.
me what the condition here.
11
N
was
value is
5.
11,
Modulus 5.
modulus 5. Could you tell me what's the value of
One.
n modulus 5?
1.
1.
5 2s are 10. What's the remainder?
1.
Very good. Tell me now, is 1 equal to 0?
No.
No,
No,
false.
it is
False. False means what? Control comes out of the if statement. After if statement, next it goes to where? Increment. Next
Increment.
value of I.
6.
6. After that, control goes to where? Condition. Control goes to condition. Tell me what the value of I here. 6
6.
less than or equal to
5.
5.
n by 2 value 5. Is
5.
6 less than or equal to 5?
No.
No, false.
False. Condition failed.
Yes.
Condition 5.
If condition fails, control comes out of the for loop, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Am I right? Everybody? Then tell me control goes out of the for loop means control will go to next statement after the for loop.
Yes.
So who is the next
Return.
statement after end of the for loop?
Return flag.
Return. What you return? Flag.
True. But
Could you tell me what the value of the flag now?
true.
True. True. Able to follow me? True. Tell me if true is returned, that number is a, that number n is a prime number. 11 is a prime number.
Yes.
Are you able to follow me?
Not a prime
False
number.
is written.
False.
not
Not
a
prime. Not
prime
a
number.
prime.
Am I clear to all of you? Yes?
Yes.
Folks, am I clear?
Yes.
Very good. I just want to write the remaining code. Is this explanation is okay? Did you understood everyone? Cool.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Tell me, guys. Right. Could you tell me here what to write? If,
B equals
see,
to
my question to all of you again have to explain. Tell me here what is returned? Flag.
flag.
The value of the flag, okay, will be stored into a variable called what? B.
B.
If my number is 11, what is the value of the flag returned?
True.
Or the value of the flag variable returned? True. That will be stored in which variable? B.
B.
B. Am I clear?
Yes.
Everybody? Yes. Tell me now if B
B.
equals to true. System dot out dot println, it is a prime
Prime
number. Very good. Very good. Else system dot out dot println, it is not a prime number. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Yes.
It is not a prime number.
Prime number.
This is what you people have to learn. This is a second way of writing the prime number program. Am I clear? Which one is better one? First one or second one? Second one. Actually, rather than second one, third one is more better. I'm not explaining it to you. Don't worry. There is one more approach is also there. That is far better than the second one also. But for you, it is enough. Okay. Compared to the first one, which is better one? Second one. Because it is reducing the time.
Code.
Okay. Reducing the time. Code is not here. Reducing the time. Earlier, if n value is 11, 11 times loop repeated. But here, up to half of the number only. N by 2 minus 1 times repeated. N by 2 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because I am starting for loop with I is equal to 2. Not from I is equal to 1. Able to clear my point? So, number of iterations are less here. But earlier yesterday's program, more iterations are there. That's it. Folks, let me copy this program for your reference with the today's date. Guys, I'm giving it in a date wise. It's 22nd May 24. . Okay. Very good, guys. Good to go. Let's go ahead with the next program. Guys, next program hint I will give. You people need to try. After that, I will write the code. Okay. Our next program is to check whether a given number is a perfect number or not. What or not? Perfect number. I will explain first. Please listen to my explanation. After my explanation, then you please try to start writing try to write the code at least. Some code if you start writing. Writing on the paper is always very important. Okay. Everybody, whenever you are after the session also, please try to practice the same program at least 1 or 2 times on the paper. When you write on the paper only, there is a connectivity between our mind and hand, right? So that will record in the mind. Perfect number or not is our next program. What is perfect number? I will tell you. Guys, perfect number meaning sum of the factors. Sum of the factors excluding the number. Sum of the factors excluding that number is equal to the same number. This is a definition of perfect number, sorry. Sum of the factors excluding that number is equal to the same number. This is called what number? Perfect number. Let me give you example. Take the example 6. 6 is a perfect number. Could you tell me what are the factors of 6 excluding the number 6? Actually, who are the factors? 1 is a factor of 6.
2 and
2 is a
3.
factor. 3 is a factor. 6 is also a factor of 6. Excluding that number means remove the 6. Then tell me find the sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6. Same number, na? It is called what? Perfect number. Did you guys got the point? What is perfect number definition? If the sum of the factors excluding that number is equal to the same number, then that number is called perfect number. Online folks, am I clear? Online folks, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Others, am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Ax, am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nikhil, am I clear to you? Dan, am I clear to you? Zeevan, am I
Yeah.
clear to you?
Yes, sir.
JP, am I clear to you? Rajalakshmi, Lakshmi, Sandhya Rani, Shatak,
Yes.
Sri Priya, yeah. Everyone.
Yeah.
Am I clear to all of you guys, online folks? Okay. Yeah. Let's take another example. Cool. Let's take other example, folks. 12. Could you tell me who are the factors of 12 excluding that number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12. But exclude that number. Then tell me sum here. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. But what is your number? 12. But you got the sum 16. Now tell me 12 is a perfect number or not a perfect number?
Not a perfect.
Not a perfect number. But what about 6? Yes, it's a perfect number. Am I clear?
Mm.
Very good.
Yes.
Take last example. 28. Find out. Tell me that 28 is perfect or not. Take the number 28 and check whether it is a perfect number or not. Could you tell me whether 28 is a perfect number or not? Could you tell me whether 28 is a perfect number or not?
No.
Is 28 is a perfect number? First of all, could you tell me who are the factors of 28?
1, 2, 4, 7,
1,
14.
2,
1, 4,
4,
4,
7, 14.
7, 14, last number 28. Half of the
28.
number. Okay. Exclude that number. Now sum now. 1 plus 2, 3.
3,
3 plus 4, 7.
7,
7 plus 7, 14.
14,
14 plus 14, 28. Your
28.
number is 28 only, na? Then 28 is a
Correct number.
perfect
Perfect
number.
number.
Am I clear? Am I clear? Guys,
Yes.
could you try writing this program? Could you try writing this program?
Yes.
What you have to check? What you have to check? Are you
Sum of-
finding the count of the factors or sum of the factors? Means what?
Sum of
Take one
fact-
sum variable, initialize with value 0. If that I is a factor of n, add that I to the sum variable. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Sum is equal to sum plus I. After the for loop is over, check the sum and the number n equal or not. If equal, return true.
It's perfect.
Return true. Else, return
False.
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 Try. Please try. Something, at least 4-5 lines if you write, I'm okay with that. But you have to write something. Day by day you have to improve. Otherwise, there is no use of attending my class. Everybody in online and offline, please try writing some program on this. Try to write a complete program. Class with the 2 methods. One is main method, like that. I will wait for 2 minutes. Take your own time.
देतोय बुक देतो बुक वरती लिहितोय पटापटा हे इथं बुक आहे त्यानं मी पेन देतो तू नाही लिहितो का
तू लिही आणि मला सांग.
तर तू काय शर्ट उपटतो होय हरप हरप बुक आहे का हरप आहे ते एवढं भारी घेऊन ठेवलं
मी रफ केला.
रफ केलं होय पहिले काय करायचंय जो नंबर आहे त्या नंबर पर्यंत फिरवायचा आणि फॅक्टर काढायचा फॅक्टर कसा काढतो आपण कसा काढतो फॅक्टर बोल की नंबर आहे 28 सपोज
1, 2, 7, 14.
कसं काढतो फॅक्टर मग याच्यामध्ये प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये कसं करतो
सांग मला जरूर
हा जाऊ दे
जरूर दे.
1 पासून स्टार्ट करायचा आणि लेस दॅन इक्वल टू n I plus divided by huh?
Guys, online folks, I have written the code. Let's check now. Okay, first let me write. Okay. Folks, I want to write here definition of a perfect number. Okay. What is that? Perfect number. Definition I'm writing. What's the perfect number definition? If sum of the factors of a number excluding the given number. Sum of the factors of a number excluding the given number is equal to the same number, then what? It is a perfect number. If sum of the factors of a number excluding the given number is equal to the same number, then it is a perfect number. Am I clear, folks? Online people? Okay. Right. Example 6. Okay. Factors are what? Factors are 1, 2, 3. Equal to how much again? 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. It is called perfect number. Another example is what? 28. What are the factors? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. Equal to how much again? 28. Am I clear for you? Right? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 is equal to how much? 28. So 28 is a perfect number. Am I clear, folks, so far? Yes. Let's start writing the code. Look at this program, guys. Let's create a new Java project, and we want to write the project name as what? Perfect number program. Perfect number program. Am I clear to you? Perfect number program. SRC new class. First package name I'll enter. Package name is com.ashokit.basics. What's the name? Class name is perfect number test. Public static void main. Am I clear, folks? Finish. Guys, am I clear now? Yes. Tell me now, what that this program is to check whether a given number is perfect number or not. Am I clear now? Yes, let's go ahead, guys. Let's understand here. Cool. We'll go on. First, sorry, we need scanner object now. So how do you get scanner object? Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Then tell me what the next one. System.out.println. Please enter the number. Please enter the number. Take the number into one variable now. Int num is equal to sc dot next int. Am I clear, folks? Now I want to write, on top of this, I want to write one method. Private static boolean is perfect. Some name of int n. N is our number, na? Very good. Tell me here, I want to call this method called is perfect method here. In the main, you have to call that method, na? Right. But whenever I call the method, what this method returns? Boolean value. So what should I write here? Boolean, some variable flag or something equal to Tell me, guess what to say.
It's perfect.
Boolean
Is
flag
pri-
equal to
is perfect
is perfect
Num.
of
of
Num.
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 So did you guys got the clarity?
Yes.
Everyone? Folks, everybody, observe it. Find sum of the factors na. Int sum equal to 0.
Zero.
For int I equals to 1.
1
I less than or equals to
and by
n divided by 2. Up to half of the number only. Factors can be there from 1 to n. Half of the number only. Tell me now. If, for the if statement, same as last program. N modulus
modulus
I equal to 0.
Zero.
If it is 0, then I is a factor, na?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
add it to which variable? Sum. Sum is equal to sum
Sum
plus
plus
I.
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 Able to follow me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Then tell me, after the for loop, if sum equal to
n
n. Guys, tell me.
return true.
If a sum equal to n, return true. Because sum equal to the given number, na? So sum
Yes.
equal to given number, it's a perfect number, return true. Else, return
Return
false.
false.
Guys, everybody have written the program like this only?
Yes.
Yes, everybody? Am I clear
Yes, sir.
now? Tell me, guys. Guys, if flag equal to true,
True.
then tell me system
System
dot out
dot
dot
out.
println, it is
It
a
is a perfect number.
perfect number. Am I right or not?
Yes.
It's a perfect number. Else system dot out dot println,
It is not a perfect
it is
number.
not a perfect number. Am I
Perfect.
clear?
Yes.
Folks, everyone, am I clear with you? So flag is equal to true, it is a perfect number. Else it is not a perfect number. Am I clear, folks? Everybody? Yes. Now, let us run this program. Okay, enter the number. The number could be 6. Tell me 6 is a perfect number. Let us run the program again. Enter the number 28. 28 is a perfect number. Let us run the program again. Now the number is, for example, 11. 11 is not a perfect number. Who are the factors of 11? 1 and 11. 1 is a factor. 1 equal to 11? No. Obviously, it is not a perfect number. I told one more example like 16. Is 16 perfect number? No. 16 is not a perfect number. So there are only two perfect numbers. What are the two perfect numbers? 6 and 28. Okay, up to I think some 10,000 or somewhere. There are only two perfect numbers. What are the two perfect numbers? 6 and 28. Okay, these are program for perfect number. I will just add this into the doc. Program for perfect number. Am I clear to all of you? Online folks, am I clear? Yes. So just give me a second. I'll come back. Online people, am I clear to all of you now? Is the number is perfect number or not? You got the program now? Yes. Let's go ahead, guys. Let's see. The next program is Fibonacci series. These are all common programs. Actually, why we are reading all these programs may get a doubt. Okay, because in the real time, we don't check whether a given number is prime number or we don't check any number actually. Even number or odd number, we don't check all these things. But as a beginner, when you're learning this programming language, you should know how to write the logics. These programs will able to improve the logical skills. That's why
And
we are
I
writing
get
all these programs.
and I get like
Okay.
I took an interview like for automation testing. So there is all question like related to that prime number. Is
Mm,
that now number is
mm,
like a Fibonacci
mm.
number and
Yeah.
that pendulum or not
Yes,
like
yes,
a
yes, yes,
yeah
yes.
yeah palindrome, sorry,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
palindrome
Palindrome.
number.
Yeah.
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 These all questions they are like they are asking to write the code, for that one, for the testing purpose, any testing, for the
Yes.
JavaScript,
Yes.
they are looking to write this code.
Yes. Yes.
Mm.
So basically, in the real time, generally we don't write or we don't have any such kind of checking whether a number is prime or perfect as per the real time code. But why do we learn all these things now? These are all used to improve your logical skills, how to write the loop, how to write the if condition, how to use break, or how do you return the value, or how do you compare the values. Are you getting my point or not, right? So these are all used to improve the logical skills. So whatever the programs we are going to write, all these programs will improve the logical skills in you. As a beginner, you need to improve the logical skills. That's called programming skills. Okay, these skills are very, very important skills. Okay, right? Good. That's why for loop, if conditions, while loop, these three are very, very important for writing the logical programs. Logically, you need to think, right? For that reason, these programs will help you. Okay. Let's go ahead, guys. Okay, these programs will help you. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. We are understanding about, okay, we are understanding about what? Whether the given Fibonacci series now. Actually, the Fibonacci series has the first two terms as 0 and 1. These are the first two terms of the Fibonacci series. Next term is the sum of the previous two terms. Next term is the sum of the previous two terms. Tell me who is the next term now? Previous two terms. What are the previous two terms? 1 plus 0.
1.
1.
And then 2.
Could you tell me what's the next term? 2.
2.
1 plus 1, 2. What's the next term?
3.
3. Next term? 5. 8.
8,
13.
11. Oh, sorry.
21.
Mhm.
Am I clear, folks? Everybody in online? This is called what series? Fibonacci. What are the first two terms of the Fibonacci series? 0 and 1. The next term is a sum of the previous two terms. Suppose if I am asking that, print the Fibonacci series up to 5 terms. Print Fibonacci series up to 5 terms means where to where I have to print? From this 0 to 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. This is called 5 terms of the Fibonacci series.
Mhm.
These are called 5 terms of the Fibonacci series. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. What are all these? The 5 terms of the Fibonacci series. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. The 5 terms of the Fibonacci series. Am I clear, folks? Online people, am I clear? Right. If I'm asking you print 7 terms of the Fibonacci series. 7 terms means total terms are 7. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. What are these? These are the 7 terms of the Fibonacci series. Okay, it is not like print up to 8. 7 terms, 5 terms, 2 terms, like that. In Fibonacci, this is the program next we are going to write. Am I clear, folks? So let's add Fibonacci series. Guys, tell me, what are the first 2 terms? The first 2 terms of the Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. The next term is a sum of previous 2 terms. Okay? Okay. For example, if n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5 means what? N terms na? If n is equal to 5, which means 5 terms of the series. Am I right or not? Tell me what are the 5 terms of the series now? 0,
1,
1. I'm writing side by side. 1, 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3, 3 plus 2, 5.
5.
So tell me 5 terms only, na? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Total how many terms? 5 terms.
5.
So if n is equal to 5, which means 5 terms of the series. What are the 5 terms of the series? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. These are called how many terms? 5 terms.
5
Am I
terms.
clear, folks?
Yes.
Everybody, am I clear? Yes? Very good. Please understand me. For example, if n is equal to 8, which means how many terms? 8 terms of the series. Tell me what are the 8 terms of the series? 0, 1, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 5,
5,
8.
8.
Is it 8 terms? How many terms you got? 7 terms only. For the
7.
next term, 13.
13.
So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. These are the 8 terms of the
Yes.
Fibonacci series. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Okay? Right. See here how to write the program. My next program is a Fibonacci series program. Fibonacci series program. My next program is a Fibonacci series program. First, let us remove the module-info.java. New class. First, we should enter the package name. What the package name? com.ashokit.basics. What the class name? Fibonacci series test. Something I'm writing with the main method. Am I clear, folks? Okay. Right. First, scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system.in. This is a common statement. I no need to explain this. This is a statement in Java. Guys, we got the scanner object now. Next what? Int. System.out.println. Enter or please enter how many terms of series to print. How many terms of Fibonacci series to print? Okay, na? Enter how many terms of the Fibonacci series to print. Take that into variable n. S series dot next
Next.
int. Folks, am I clear now? Enter how many terms of Fibonacci series to print. Int n is equal to SC dot next int. We got the number now. We
Yes.
got the number into the variable called n. Tell me now next. I want to call method print Fibonacci of n. Tell me this method is available or not available? Not
Not
available. I want to create this method now.
Yes.
Yes. Earlier I created this method above, but now I am creating below. I told you can create this method above the main method or below the main
Below
method.
the name.
Then tell me what is the method name? Print Fibonacci of int n. Am I clear, folks? Everybody?
Yes.
Very good. Here, int first term, one variable I am taking, is equal to 0. Second term is equal to 1.
1.
First print them.
Yes.
System dot out dot println of first term system dot out dot println of second term. Folks, am I clear to all of you? First term is 0. Second term is 1.
1.
Then folks tell me first term 0, second term 1. We got the 2 terms now of the Fibonacci series now.
Yes.
Now, please understand me. If n terms I want to print, out of n terms, 2 terms are over. Now I should start printing from third term to nth term. Then tell me my for loop should start. For int I equals to 3. I less than or equals to n. I plus plus. Am I clear?
Yes.
Online people, am I clear? Why I am starting with 3?
2 times
Already the
we
2
have
terms are
already
printed. Suppose you
Yes.
said 5 terms I want to print. Out of 5, 2 terms already printed. Now print third term, fourth term, fifth term. So start from 3. Okay. Tell me how to calculate the next term. Int next term is equal to first term plus second term. Print it. Print the next term. After printing the next term, then you have to interchange now.
Yes.
Folks, tell me first of all, who are the first 2 terms?
First
0,
and second.
1.
0 and 1.
What's the next term?
1.
1 plus 0. Tell me now who should be the first term and who should be the second term?
First
Next term.
Second term is the first term.
Okay. Please understand. This is first term. This is second term. This is what? Next term. Am I clear? For the next term, this should be the first term. This should be the second term, so that I will get the next term here. First of all, tell me here. This is FT first term. This is ST second term. This is NT means next term. Tell me for the next number, who should be the first term? I'm writing in blue.
Second.
This should be the first term.
Yes. Second.
This should be what? Second term.
Next.
Second term. Next term should be the second.
Which means what? I should assign second term to
First term.
first term.
First term.
next term to
Second.
second term, so that I will get next term.
Hmm.
Who is my next term now?
2.
2.
2.
Able to follow me? Then tell me first assign what to what? Second term to the
Second term to
first term.
first.
First.
Next term to the second term.
Second.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Everybody in online, folks, are you understanding this?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir.
Good, good. Guys, tell me what should I write? First
First
term
term equal to second
equal
term.
to second term.
Second
Assign
term.
the second term to the first term. Next one.
Second term equal to
Second
next
term you
term.
assign to the
next term.
assign the next term to the second term. Did you guys got my point? Let's run this program. This program is very simple. Tell me who are the first two terms of the series? Who are the
0
first two terms of
and
the
1.
Fibonacci series? 0 and
0
and
and
1.
1.
0 and 1. Let us run this program, folks. Enter how many terms of the series you want to print? 5.
5.
5. Tell me what are the series? 0, 1, 1,
1,
2, 3.
3.
0, 1, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Let us enter the number. Next time I want to print Fibonacci series of 8 terms. How many terms? 8 terms.
8.
0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Enter how many terms of the Fibonacci series to print? For example, 10 terms. 10 terms means 21, 21 plus 13, 34, up to 34. Guess you got up to 34? 0,
Yes.
1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This is called which program, folks?
Fibonacci.
Fibonacci series. What are the first two terms of the Fibonacci series? 0 and 1. How to calculate the next term? Sum of the previous
Previous 2 terms.
sum of the previous 2 terms. Then interchange second term to first term, next term to second term. Able to follow me? In this way, you will get which series? Fibonacci
Fibonacci.
series. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Everyone in online, folks, am I clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. I want to copy this code into a doc. I think I have to write comment on the program. I wanted for every program on top, just comment to check the program. This program is what? Is to print the Fibonacci series of n terms. Just I want to copy the program code into this. Folks, am I clear with the today's programs? Are you clear with the today's
Yes.
programs, folks?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, so far, we are just using a single for loop. We are using only single for loop. One for loop we are writing. Of course, tomorrow also we'll write some programs only, but we are writing single for loop so far. But from tomorrow, we will write for loop inside for loop, which is called what? Nested for loop.
Nested
For example, I'm
for loop.
writing for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3. Just I'm writing I plus plus. This is called outer for loop. Again, inside I'm writing for int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. For example, I'm not explaining this. For example, I'm writing and do something. Folks, everyone, am I clear to you? Am I clear to you?
Yes.
Right. Tell me, guys. This is called nested for loop. Nested for loop. This is the outer for loop. This is the
Outer. Inner.
inner for loop. This is called nested for loop. For loop inside another for loop. This is called nested for loop.
Nested for loop.
So we are going to look at about this kind of programs in the tomorrow session. Am I clear, folks? Right. So
Mhm.
meanwhile, folks, you try to write a program to find factorial of a given number. Factorial of a given number. You write a program to what? You write a program to find the factorial of a given number.
Given number.
Suppose if the given number is 5, output should be 120 because 5 factorial is 120 na?
Yes.
The given number is 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. That's called 5 factorial.
Yes.
How do you calculate 5 factorial? 1 into
Factors
2 into
multiplied
3 into
factors.
4 into 5 is equal to how much? 120. This is called factorial, 5 factorial, factorial of a given number. Am I clear, folks? Online folks, am I clear? Write a
Yes.
program to check, write a program to print the factorial of a given number. That is what you try. This is a work to you. Okay? And write a program to print a multiplication table. For example, of a number. For example, if a given number is 5. Suppose if the given number is 5. Guys, tell me if the given number is 5, then what you should print? Fifth table. Fifth table means how output should come? 5
5
into
1 is
1 is equal to 5.
5.
Up to 5 times of
10.
50. Please write these two programs. Please write these two programs. One program is what? Factorial of a given
Factorial
number.
of the number.
Second, multiplication table of a given
table.
number. These two you can do with the for loop only. These two programs you can write with the for loop.
For
So
loop.
please try to write these two programs. These are work to you. Tomorrow we will continue with the nested for loops. Okay na? Online folks, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's for today, guys. We'll continue on tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay.